Integrating your MYOB AccountRight Live account with Fergus helps eliminate double handling of customer and supplier invoices by automatically sending customer and supplier invoices and credits from Fergus to MYOB, syncing customer invoice payments from MYOB back to Fergus, and importing existing customers from MYOB. To set up your MYOB integration, follow these simple steps. First, head to your user profile in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Integration Center. Select MYOB and click the Connect to MYOB AccountRight button. If you're not already logged into MYOB, you'll be asked to do so. Once done, click Allow Access. First, select the account codes for supplier invoices and supplier credits and click Continue once done. Next, you'll need to select the account codes for material sales and labour sales. Again, click Continue when you're ready. Finally, select your tax rounding adjustment codes as well, and once done, click Finish. If you're unsure about which accounts to select, it's a good idea to consult your accountant or bookkeeper. You can always come back to this settings page later, but remember to get these completed so that the integration works correctly. At this stage, you can decide whether to send supplier invoices and credits originally in PDF format to MYOB with the original file attached or without. Finally, to import your existing customers, click the Import Customer button located in the top right corner. This step is crucial during the initial setup to ensure all your current customers are available in Fergus for easy access. Moving forward, new customers should be added directly into Fergus. Once you invoice a new customer for the first time, their details will automatically sync with MYOB. That's it, you've now successfully connected MYOB to Fergus and completed the necessary setup.